Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Spider-Man 2 how to save our game properly. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just right click on the Spider-Man on the desktop shortcut and select open file location and right click on the application and select properties and go to compatibility tab and check mark this run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. And now if you have any game not saving problem, then this should fix your problem guys. And now launch the game. Select the yes option. Now I show you guys how to save the game. Just press the escape key and go to manual save option and select the new save and it will be saved. To open the save, you just need to quit to main menu and select confirm option and select the load game option. And as you can see, auto saved and we have manually saved. Click on the manual save and this will launch where you saved. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.